Hello everyone and welcome to the first video in our series, Finding Your Child's Voice. Today, we are tackling a question that many parents ask themselves at some point. Is something wrong with my child's speech and language development? It's a question that often comes with a mix of emotions, worry, confusion, maybe even a little bit of denial. And that's perfectly understandable. As parents, we want our children to thrive in every single way, and communication is such a fundamental part of their development and their ability to connect with the world. So, let's talk about some of the common signs of speech and language delays. Now, I want to emphasize right from the start that every child develops at their own pace. There's a wide range of what's considered typical. You might have one child who starts speaking full sentences at 18 months, and another who's still primarily using gestures and single words at 2.5, and that's okay. However, there are some red flags that parents should be aware of. These are signs that might indicate a speech delay and they warrant further investigation. In toddlers, some of these red flags include not babbling by 12 months. Babbling is that delightful string of sounds that babies make as they experiment with their voices. Ba ba ba, ma ma ma, da da da. It's a crucial precursor to speech. Not pointing using gestures by 12 months. Pointing is a powerful form of pre-verbal communication. It shows that a child understands that they can share their attention with another person. Gestures like waving goodbye or shaking their head no are also important early communication milestones. By 18 months, most toddlers can understand simple instructions like give me the ball or raise your shoe. Not saying any words by 18 months. While some children might start talking later, most toddlers have at least a few words in their vocabulary by 18 months. Not putting two words together by 2 years. Mommy up, more juice, daddy car. These are examples of two-word phrases that typically emerge around age 2. Now, if your child is preschool aged, here are some signs to watch for. Difficulty understanding age-appropriate stories or conversations. Preschoolers should be able to understand simple stories and follow along with the conversations. Struggling to pronounce certain sounds. While some sound substitutions are common in young children, persistent difficulties with pronunciation could indicate a speech sound disorder. Frustration with communicating. If your child becomes easily frustrated when trying to communicate, it could be a sign that they are struggling with their speech or language skills. Difficulty making friends or interacting with peers. Speech and language delays can impact a child's ability to socialize and make friends. Now, I know that seeing these red flags can be concerning, but it's important not to panic. These signs don't necessarily mean your child has a serious speech or language disorder. They simply indicate that it's a good idea to seek professional evaluation. A speech and language therapist or an SLP can assess your child's communication skills and determine if there are any delays or disorders present. They can also recommend appropriate interventions and strategies to support your child's development. In our next video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of typical versus atypical development. We'll explore the wide range of variation in speech and language development and discuss why early intervention is so crucial. So stay tuned.